Is it safe to kneel post-knee replacement? Keep watching this video to find out. Hi, I'm Alicia, one of the physios at Be Mobile. Now, we received a question from Ginny asking, is there anything that helps a replacement knee to be knelt on again? Yes, there is, Ginny, and I'm going to walk you through how to gradually expose your knee to weight bearing in a kneeling position. But I firstly want to emphasise that kneeling is very safe post-joint replacement. After the wound has healed, advice not to kneel has no scientific basis. There is no research illustrating kneeling as harmful to your prosthetic joint. However, it is something many people avoid due to pain or being told not to kneel. Let's have a look at what we can do about that. Okay, so it is very normal to have sensitive knees post-total knee replacement. But the good thing is you can desensitize your knees to being in that kneeling position by gradually exposing yourself to it. Let's have a look at how to do that. I have a chair and I have a cushion on the chair, and what I'm going to do is put my knee up here and I'm gradually going to expose my knee to this kneeling position and taking weight through the knee in this way, but I'm controlling how much weight I put on my knee by taking weights through my arms. And so I can push through my knee and then come up and have a little rest. Now, this might feel quite sensitive and uncomfortable, and it really comes down to doing what's tolerable for you and building up nice and slowly. So I'm pushing weight through it. Now, I recommend if you can do 30 to 60 seconds of taking weight through the knee in this position, we can then progress to doing it on the floor. So I'm still going to be using the chair, but I'm going to put the cushion on the floor and use the chair to again take weight through my arms. And I'm going to come down on both knees. Now, I'm just going to turn a little bit sideways so you can see this. Now, let's pretend it's my left knee I've had the replacement in. I'm taking weight through my arms, but I'm also coming onto my right knee and then coming onto my left, letting that take some weight. When that becomes intolerable, I'm going to come back on my right knee, give that left knee a little bit of a break, and then coming back over again. And it's that same principle of gradually exposing this knee to being in this uncomfortable, sensitive position over time. Now, once that feels tolerable and you can cope with 30 to 60 seconds of that, we can get rid of the chair altogether, and we can also get rid of a cushion. So it's obviously going to be much harder on a hard surface, or more sensitive, I should say, on a harder surface. And you could firstly do it on the chair without a cushion, and then on the floor on your hands and knees like this. So you're still taking some weight through your hands, and you can even give your knees a little bit of a rest by lifting them up and coming back and kneeling on them. And you can come onto your good knee if you like, and then back onto your replaced knee or your prosthetic. And you can also work a little bit on your range of motion here as well. So on your knee flexion, so I can come forward and then I can come back, trying to get a little bit more bend in my knee, forward and back. But I'm not expecting you to do all of these variations in one go. This is something to gradually expose yourself to over time to hopefully desensitize your knee. Don't be afraid of kneeling post-knee replacement. Persist with the exercises I've shown you to improve your ability to kneel.
If you like this video and have another question related to health and fitness for over 55s, make sure you pop it in the comments below.